Hi everyone, welcome back to English classes with Aisha. Today we are going to learn the most common confusion in English. So let's learn the pronunciations of and the. Let's start with the pronunciation of the. We'll use the before the word beginning with a consonant sound. For example, the dog, the cat, the university. So in university, the first sound is Y. So Y is a consonant and the first sound here is a consonant. So we are using the before university and we'll use the before vowel sounds. For example, the apple, the elephant, the hour. So in hour, the first letter is H, which is a silent H. So the first sound which we are hearing here is a vowel sound. So we are using the before hour. Now we are going to learn the pronunciation of a. So we'll use a most commonly in our normal everyday speech and we'll be using a like a cat, a dog, a university. So again university, in university the first sound we are hearing is a Y sound which is a consonant sound. So we are using a before university. And we'll use a sound for emphasis. For example, did you say a cat or a dog? Yeah, so we'll just do a quick recap of everything. So we'll use the before consonant sounds. We'll use the before vowel sounds. And a bonus tip here, we'll use the for emphasis. For example, he is the best player on the team. And we'll use a in our normal everyday speech and we'll use a for emphasis. So that's it. So if you're practicing, you'll be able to speak like a native speaker and we'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.